Century shine brilliantly in every aspect. As a comprehensive transport equipment manufacturer, Fuji Heavy Industries comprises various business departments that continually create products of high quality and rich originality, based on the advanced technologies accumulated throughout our history as an aircraft manufacturer. A core such development is the automobile department, which pursues the creation of attractive and unique cars that always lead the age, such as Subaru cars. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Subaru Gunma plant. We're pleased to introduce you to Subaru's consistent concept towards manufacturing cars and its unique technologies, as we guide you through each factory of the Subaru Gunma plant, where Subaru cars are made. Ota City, Gunma Prefecture, the city full of history and greenery, is also the birthplace of Fuji Heavy Industries. Chikuhei Nakajima founded an aircraft research laboratory in what is today Ota City in 1917. Later, the laboratory's name was changed to Nakajima Aircraft, and as a representative Japanese aircraft manufacturer at that time, it manufactured many excellent aircraft, including civil and military planes. Thanks to the aircraft manufacturing technology that was cultivated on this base, a Rabbit motor scooter was released onto the market, and the same technology also blossomed further as technology to develop cars, as the company of Fuji Heavy Industries was founded. On entering the new field of car development, Fuji Heavy Industries produced the Subaru 1500 P1, aiming to manufacture a car of the highest level. The P1 was a prototype car that adopted for the first time among Japanese cars developments such as a monocoque body, wishbone-type independent suspension, and double-acting oil damper. Then the Subaru 360 was created, based on high technologies acquired from the experience of manufacturing the P1. After repeated production of the Subaru 360, it was expanded into the series of the Subaru 1000 and the Subaru 1300. This history and technology have been passed on in the creation of the Subaru cars of today. Fuji Heavy Industries spreads from its head office in Tokyo to the three neighboring prefectures of Saitama, Gunma, and Tochigi. Especially in Ota City, Gunma Prefecture, which is called the representative industrial city of the North Kanto area, there is the Gunma plant, which manufactures cars and consists of 4 factories. The Vivio, Pleo, and Samber are produced at the main factory. The Legacy, Impreza, and Forester are produced at the Yajima factory. Here at the Ota North factory, various car parts are produced. And the Oizumi factory produces engines and transmissions. The Yajima factory, the main facility consisting of 550,000 square meters in the Gunma plant, is located at the center of Ota, a city rich in greenery. With its spaciousness, the plant attracts attention as a model non-polluting type factory that gives consideration to the surrounding environment through such measures as the near central factory location of the incineration facility and the wastewater treatment facility. Now let us introduce you to how Subaru cars are made in these factories. There are 4 main processes in the car manufacturing process: stamping, body assembly, painting, and trim and final assembly. First is the stamping process, in which we cut automotive steel plates as the material for cars and form them with presses. Various state-of-the-art large-type equipment, the pride of Fuji Heavy Industries, play an active role in this process. This is the blanking shearing lines for integrated processing from washing to cutting the rolled steel plates. These huge transfer presses so large it could contain an entire small building, incorporate 5 or 6 processes. They form steel plates that have already been cut into various automotive parts while stamping them. Next is the body assembly process. Here in this line, bodies are assembled by welding and bolting stamped parts. At Fuji Heavy Industries, we've introduced the complete mixed flow production method in the assembly line. This is a method to assemble different kinds of bodies on a single line through computer control, and suitable spots for welding are programmed according to each body type. With this method, not only can we increase production, we can also flexibly meet market needs. This, together with the high level of robotization, contributes greatly to improved product quality. Next is the painting process. Here, work is carried out in a completely sealed environment because dust and dirt are harmful to high-quality paint jobs. Steel plate bodies are first degreased, and then the surface is carefully prepared and chemically primed to inhibit corrosion and to ensure that the paint takes well to the metal surface. This is followed by cationic electric deposit coating and baking to create a corrosion-resistant base finish. Next is waterproof sealing and undercoating. This is followed by intermediate coating and the second baking. Then rubbing to eliminate any minor imperfections, top coating, and a third baking follow. Now let us explain about engines incorporated in the Subaru cars we make and our original technologies. The engine that has been adopted only for Subaru cars among Japanese cars since 1966 is the horizontally opposed engine, and all Legacy, Impreza, and Forester models are equipped with it. It's an ideal high-performance engine with utmost stability, as the two opposing pistons, positioned at 180 degrees to the left and right respectively from the crankshaft at the center, mutually repel vibration. This engine is responsible for the high driving performance of Subaru cars, as it is light and compact and with a low center of gravity, and it has enabled us to give the cars a symmetrically arranged Subaru all-wheel drive system. As you've just seen, the idea of active driving, active safety is pursued continuously in our process of making Subaru cars. Subaru's unique and most advanced technologies and our unending pursuit of safety are the foundations of our business. The Oizumi factory manufactures and assembles power units, such as engines and transmissions. Here in this process, almost all machines are automated. In particular, because cylinder block manufacturing involves a mixed flow of many different parts, a transfer machine capable of automatic cutting tool exchange is used. Thus, the innate quality and nature of a high-performance engine is further enhanced to be completed as a perfect engine. This is the Yajima factory again. This is a process of trim and final assembly to equip the painted bodies with various parts. First, sound insulation materials, headlights and other electrical fixtures, the instrument panel, and glass parts are fitted. Then, floor parts, the power unit, suspension, and the propeller shaft are fitted. Next come the tires, battery, seats, and steering wheel. Thus, as many as 30,000 items of 6,000 different kinds are fitted. And then, finally, gasoline, oil, and other operational requirements are automatically injected to complete a car. Fully assembled, complete cars are subjected to rigorous tests and final adjustment on various testing machines in this final inspection process before delivery to our customers. On this 130-meter inspection line, suspension, braking, the speedometer, and other things are tested under conditions simulating actual operation on a road surface. Then the car is shower tested to check for leaks by spraying water against